We guide you through how to change Facebook page name on PC or laptop. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser, go to facebook.com, then log into the account that manages the page. In the left sidebar, click Pages and select the page you want to edit. Once you're on the page dashboard, click Settings at the bottom left corner. Inside Settings, click Page Setup, then choose Name. Click the Edit button beside your current page name. Type your new page name carefully and make it sure follow Facebook's naming rules. No misleading words, symbols, or excessive capitalization. After entering the new name, click Review Change, then select Request Change. Facebook will review your request, and this usually takes a few hours to a few days. While waiting, avoid making additional name changes. Once approved, your new page name will automatically update and become visible to your followers.